Today we are going to talk about algebra. So algebra is one of the chapter in the mathematics. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to introduce new variables. I am going to introduce the new variables. So now we are going to another step. Look at the first line. X, Y, Z are variables. So x is a variable. Okay. So what is the x? What is the exactly meaning of that x? So these are unknown values. So that x value is unknown value. We have to find answer for that variable, answer for that x value. So x, y, z are variables. So x means what? X means it's an unknown value. So we have to find the values for that x. Okay. How? How can we suppose to find the values of x? Yeah, suppose for example, look at the box. Nila's age. Okay. Nila's age is x. Nila's age is x. Suppose I take, okay, I am taking Nila's age is equal to some x, and Madhi's age. So Madhi's age is x plus 3. So I am taking Nila's age is x and Madhi's age is x plus 3. Okay. Suppose I put here 1. So Nila's age is 1 means Madhi's age will be 1 plus 3. So because in the value of x is 1. So look at the left hand side. X value is 1. I have to put x value 1 here. So x value 1 here. So 1 plus 3. The answer will be 4. And then suppose if I put x value is 2. So what suppose Nila's age is 2 means, yeah, look at here. So I have to apply the 2 in the x value. So 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. This value comes. And then suppose I take Nila's age is 3. So Nila would have age 3. So Nila's age is 3. And Madhi's age is x plus 3, which means what? Madhi's age is more than, so yeah, 3 years elder than Nila's age. So I have to substitute x value 3 here. So in the place of x, 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Yeah, look at here. Yeah, that's it. Next example. Yeah. So look at this line. Look at this line only. Okay. 2 plus some box which is equal to 5. So I already said that x meaning what? Unknown values. X meaning, so we don't know the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Don't forget, we don't know. So we don't know the value of x. We have to find. Okay, we have to find the values of x. So 2 plus x. So this is unknown value. The answer is equal to 5. So 2 plus what number which is equal to 5. So the any number you have to adding to 2, the answer will be 5. So 2 கூட எந்த நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணால் 5 கிடைக்கும். That's it. So 2 plus, so 2 here 2 plus what number we have to add, so answer will be 5. So answer equal to x value is 3. So if I put 3 in the place of x, 2 plus 3, the answer equal to 5. So the x value we found. So x value is equal to 3. That's it. Okay. Yeah, look at the second example. Here is 4 plus 6. The answer will be x. So x means what? We don't know the answer. We have to find that answer. So what is answer? 4 plus 6. What is the value of 4 plus 6? 10. So this is the x value is 10. So x is equal to 10. 10 is the answer. Yeah. Yeah. Third one is like first one. So we don't know that x value. So that value adding to 3, the answer will be 6. So எந்த வேல்யூவை 3 கூட ஆட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு 6 ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ x is we don't know. So unknown value. That unknown value added to 3, the answer will be 6. So what is answer? 3. So if I put 3 here, 3 plus 3, answer will be 6. So 3 is the correct answer. So x value is 3. Okay, I will understand. Yeah, okay. This example, suppose that there are some eggs in a tray. So listen carefully. Suppose that there are some eggs in a tray. Some eggs, which means what? We don't know how many eggs, how many total eggs in a tray. Some eggs, okay. If 6 eggs are taken out from it, so I'm going to take 6 eggs from the tray, and still 10 eggs are remaining in the tray. So in that one tray, look at here, this is a one tray. Here so many eggs. So some eggs are there. I just take 6 eggs only. I just take this 6 eggs only from this tray. So and then the remaining 10 eggs are remaining in the tray. So totally how many eggs? 10 eggs only. Totally how many eggs? 16 eggs. So yeah, let's come on. So first of all, I don't know the how many totally how many eggs in a tray. So I just put x. So I just put x in the first tray. This is my first tray. So I just put x because we don't know how many total eggs are in the tray. So I just put x. How many eggs are taken? 6 eggs are taken. So 6 eggs are taken mean minus 6 eggs. So the remaining answer, the remaining 10 eggs are there. So there are 10 eggs are remaining in the tray. So now look at here, this line. So x is a unknown value. So x is a tray. Here x is a tray. So x in a tray minus I am taken 6 x only. So 6 x. So the remaining x is 10. So what is the value of x? If I put any value x, that value minus 6, the answer will be 10. So x க்கு என்ன வேல்யூ போட்டால் அது -6 கூட மைனஸ் பண்ணி எனக்கு ஆன்சர் 10 வரும். ஸோ எக்ஸுக்கு நான் சப்போஸ் இஃப் ஐ புட் எக்ஸ் 7, so 7 minus 6 which is equal to 10. Is it correct or not? This is not correct because 7 minus 6 equal to 1 only. So it is not correct. And then if I put 8 minus 6 is equal to 10, is it correct or not? This is also wrong because 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 only. So this is also wrong. Suppose I put x value is 16 minus 6, it's equal to 10. Is it correct or not? Yeah, is it correct because 16 minus 6 is equal to 10 only. So totally there are 16 x. There were 16 x in a tray. So in the 16 x I have taken, so there are 16 x. I am taken 6x from that 16. So the answer will be 10x remaining. That's it.